Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the FOREXPEACEARMY.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. So, the political life in the United States is coming to the culmination point. We have discussed this in detail in our Forex report and gold market report recently. Now it is time to consider Bitcoin. Bitcoin now has the special relation to the Donald Trump and his promises to make it the United States the capital of the crypto world in general. So that has triggered so-called the Donald Trump rally, Donald Trump trade. As you could see, it's really solid appreciation of the price in Bitcoin. The recent few sessions market has shown the retracement. As usual, by the end of the month, we have prepared the monthly report on Bitcoin. You could find it in blog on the Forex Peace Army. So this you need to go blogs, Sive Morten blog, and you will appear on this page. It's very interesting content of this report this time. Yes, of course, we have provided some market overview, some forecasts on the price of the Bitcoin as usual, but it is more interesting that a lot of very interesting things have been said by the really big people, such as Larry Fink, some other bankers. And this leads us to a conclusion that Bitcoin is turning from the simple market to some superstructure of the financial system in the United States first and potentially globally, just because the United States economy takes approximately 25% of the global domestic product, and a dollar serves for approximately 50%, 55% of all transactions in the world. So Bitcoin could become the superstructure over the global finance as well. And we think that everything is going in this way. What the conclusions we have made from this, you could read in a report. So the report's not really big, but lots of interesting stuff stands there that you could think about. Returning back to the technical picture, currently, you could see that on the weekly chart, we have the pullback out from the top. So you can see that market actually was not able even to wash and rinse around this previous top, dropping down, forming a kind of the graveyard doji or something like shooting star doji, which has the potentially bearish sentiment. But currently, I wouldn't pay too much attention to this, because if you take a look at today's open of the euro currency, that actually explains everything. So speculators right now will shake the boat, and situation might change every hour. So don't treat the current fluctuations and volatility that you will see in the nearest few sessions as it stands in some other time. So it's absolutely different volatility currently. So nominally we have this bearish pattern, and on daily and intraday basis we'll also have the bearish context. So if we take a look at the daily chart, market right now returns back down to the support area that we have discussed, and this is actually the vital point for Bitcoin. Why? As I explained last time, market is going with this ABCD. This was the OP when it's just tested this resistance. That was reaction on the OP, and this is upward continuation moving above the trend line, above the OP, which means that currently market stands in an extension mode, and if everything goes well, it should keep going to the XOP target. If suddenly it breaks this action, breaks this direction, forming reversal swing, dropping below the trend line, dropping below the OP, and actually return back to an area around 64.50, this will be a negative sign. It means that the short-term bullish action probably is over, or at least we should get deeper retracement first before market will make the next attempt to go higher. That's what about this area, and that's why it is so important, as I said last time as well. On the fall time frame chart, nothing awful hasn't happened yet. So in general, this retracement stands in agreement with our expectations. We said keep watching for some support areas, but this is ultimate level. So this vital level, and you should keep an eye on. If market will drop here, theoretically, we could consider some patterns, but we should not act without them, since the downside action is relatively fast, and it might be really risky if you're just trying to buy at the fib level without any patterns on the back. Currently, if you take a look at the 4 time frame chart, what we have, market has formed downside ABCD. This smaller ABCD already has been completed, but it's becomes a bit more extended, because if you measure the ABCD pattern right from the A top, the D point will be slightly lower. But anyway, the shape of the 222 will hold. And potentially this is pattern that you could try to use, although it depends on if you're ready to take an action during the United States elections. This is not a good idea for everybody. So if you are sure and you're confident with your ability to trade this environment, you could consider it. This is one of the patterns, by the way, that we could keep an eye on. Alternatively, you could wait for some reaction and see maybe some other minor patterns might be formed, something like this. So here we have double top. Here it might be them hand and shoulders. So for instance, it might be shoulder. Market later could form the head, another shoulder. So other words speaking, just watch for patterns. If we will get some bullish confirmation here, theoretically, it is possible to consider taking the position, because you can see, in fact, market stands around the confidence. Here we have 618 level on the 4 time frame chart. This is also 30% support, and market stands in an important weekly trend line. So if you remember, this is actually weekly, monthly flag consolidation, and this is the trend line that market recently has been broken up. Another attractiveness of this level is that it led us to place relatively tight stops, because actually, if market will break it down, then, as I said, bullish context will be destroyed, short-term bullish context, and we will have to watch for something else. So it means that market stands very close to a validation point, which is minimize the potential loss. But as I said, once again, repeat it, do not act without the patterns, especially in the background of the elections. So that's actually what we have in place. Our trading plan currently see what will happen around this support area, where the market will show the proper reaction on it. If we see nothing and just some bearish activity, then probably we should skip this trade and do not consider taking long position, because deep retracement might happen.